Welcome, I'm Naeem, and today I'll take you inside our orchards and processing facilities to
Our journey begins in the expansive walnut orchards, where nature and nurture combine to produce premium nuts.
Walnuts grow encased in green husks, maturing slowly on the tree.
Regular pruning and care maintain tree health and maximize yield.
Integrated pest management protects the orchard while preserving the ecosystem. Efficient irrigation and soil care support robust walnut growth. Balanced nutrition ensures optimal tree health and nut quality.
The walnut's journey is a seasonal rhythm of growth and renewal.
Each walnut is carefully collected to preserve its quality.
Harvesting begins with mechanical shakers, gently dislodging mature walnuts from the trees.
Skilled hands collect the harvest, preparing it for initial cleaning.
Transporting walnuts promptly preserves freshness and quality.
Walnuts are harvested with their protective green husks intact.
Initial sorting ensures only the best walnuts proceed to processing.
Well-maintained equipment ensures efficient and safe harvesting. Careful loading protects walnuts during transit. Initial cleaning removes dirt, leaves, and debris, preparing walnuts for further processing.
Skilled hands ensure every walnut is cleaned without damage.
Air blowers efficiently remove fine dust and impurities.
Initial sorting categorizes walnuts by size and quality for consistent processing.
Grading ensures uniformity and premium quality. Sorted walnuts are transported efficiently for dehulling.
Manual inspection complements sorting to maintain quality.
Real-time monitoring ensures accuracy and efficiency.
Careful packaging preserves quality during transport.
With initial cleaning and sorting complete, walnuts are ready for dehulling.
The dehulling process removes the tough green outer shell, revealing the hard walnut shell beneath.
Advanced machinery efficiently strips the outer shell without damaging the nut inside. Removed shells are collected for recycling or disposal.
Clean shells are essential for quality cracking and kernel extraction.
Dehulled walnuts are transported carefully for shell cracking.
In the shell cracking facility, machines carefully crack open the hard walnut shells to reveal the kernels inside.
Precision engineering ensures shells are cracked cleanly and efficiently. Shell fragments are separated carefully to preserve the quality of the kernels.
Automated systems separate kernels with high accuracy, minimizing waste. Operators continuously monitor and fine-tune the process to maintain quality and throughput.
Separated kernels are transported carefully to preserve their quality. Each kernel's quality is visible in its texture and color, a sign of careful processing.
Our advanced facility combines automation and skilled labor for efficient shell cracking.
Quality control ensures only clean, intact kernels proceed to drying and grading.
After shell cracking, walnut kernels are sorted automatically by size and quality to ensure consistency. Advanced optical sorting technology identifies and separates kernels based on strict quality criteria.
Air jets precisely separate kernels by grade, maintaining product uniformity. Data-driven sorting ensures consistent quality across every batch. Each grade meets specific standards for size, color, and quality. Sorted kernels are transported carefully to packaging lines. With sorting complete, walnuts are ready for manual inspection and packaging. Our sorting facility combines cutting-edge technology with skilled oversight.
Every walnut kernel undergoes rigorous manual and machine inspection to ensure premium quality.
Skilled inspectors carefully remove any imperfect kernels. Collaboration drives continuous improvement in quality assurance. Only kernels that meet our strict standards proceed to packaging. Certified quality ensures customer satisfaction and trust. Grading separates walnut kernels by size, color, and quality to meet premium standards. Optical grading technology ensures only the finest kernels are selected. Air jets precisely separate kernels by grade, maintaining product consistency. Data-driven grading maintains consistent standards across every batch. Graded kernels are carefully transported to packaging lines. Each grade meets specific standards for size, color, and quality. With grading and premium selection complete, walnuts are ready for weighing and packaging. Precise weighing and portion control ensure consistent packaging and customer satisfaction. Advanced scales guarantee accuracy in every portion.
Regular sampling ensures every package meets strict standards.
Portioning mechanisms deliver consistent product quantities.
Careful packaging preserves freshness and quality.
Portioned walnuts are transported carefully for packaging. Real-time monitoring ensures accuracy and efficiency. In the hygienic packaging line, walnuts are carefully packed and sealed to preserve freshness and quality. Sealing locks in freshness, protecting walnuts from moisture and air. Precision filling ensures consistent weight and presentation. Clear labeling ensures brand recognition and traceability. Automated quality checks guarantee every package meets our strict standards.
Skilled operators ensure smooth operation and immediate response to any issues.
Finished packages are transported efficiently for final storage and shipment. careful handling ensures products reach customers in perfect condition. Our premium walnuts begin their journey to markets around the world. Finally, our premium walnuts reach consumers, ready to be enjoyed worldwide.
From the first harvest to the final package, every step reflects our dedication to quality, care, and excellence.